Fast database management automates several processes critical to a well-run Sage 300 installation. It provides fast DBDump and DBLoad capabilities, typically 3 times faster than the standard Sage utilities, for backing up and restoring Sage 300 data. Fast data integrity checking capabilities, typically 10 times to 1,000 times faster than standard Sage utilities, and the ability to save and restore data from an FTP site. The program lets you manage multi-day DBDump backup archives automatically. Backup any SQL Server DBs, such as Sage 300 Vault and Store databases, and copy databases between different offices as overnight operations using an intermediate FTP site. Fast database management is designed to run interactively or in the background as a Windows scheduled task, producing a log file and providing email notification on job completion. The user interface that you see here allows you to edit program settings, create Windows scheduled tasks, and run the Fast Database Management program. The program stores all settings in an XML file that can be edited with the program's user interface. You can create one or more XML settings files for jobs that you run manually or automatically as Windows scheduled tasks. The XML settings file is passed in as a command line parameter for scheduled tasks. All authentication information for accessing Sage 300 data is encrypted in the XML file. Let's do an integrity check first, and keep in mind that this can be run interactively from this UI or automatically as a scheduled task. First, we can define a backup or a restore job. The type is controlled by the Mode drop-down on the Settings tab. Some tasks, such as checking data integrity, can be performed as one stage of a backup job or during a restore. For example, to create a job that only checks data integrity, you could select Backup Mode, make sure that no databases are listed in the Backup tab, clear the checkbox on the Shared Folder tab, and add all Sage 300 databases to be checked on the Integrity tab. I've also unchecked the FTP upload option and selected Email Notification. I'll click the Backup button to proceed. You can see each stage as the job progresses, and I'll get an email notification with an attached log file when it's finished. Let's look at another task, this time for backing up data. The settings file is backupdata.xml. The first tab shows backup mode. The backup tab provides the location of 3 Sage 300 databases that will be DBdumped using TaiRox Fast DB tools. The task will also back up Sage 300 shared folders, and it will back up the Vault and Store databases for Sage 300. Both company databases will be checked using TaiRox Fast Data Integrity. We'll skip the FTP Upload tab, which lets you maintain off-site backups or transfer company data to another location. Make sure email notification is on, and finally, run the job. Again, you can see the complete process in the log. That completes a quick look at Fast Database Management. Please visit the TaiRox website for more detailed information about Fast Database Management and other TaiRox products for Sage 300.